Oga Uche.
Who is that?
Me.
Who?
Me.
I'm Buffalo.
You're laughing.
Exactly.
Oga Uche. Oga Uche.
Any problem? I'm Buffalo. If I finish, I will come.
Oga Uche, I'm sick.
Oh, you are sick?
Yeah.
Oh, where is your husband?
My husband is not there.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Oga Uche, I'm sick.
Okay, me too. I'm Buffalo.
I'm waiting for you. Or should I come?
Is that?
I should come.
No. I'm Buffalo. You want to come?
I'm sick.
Let me finish. After I finish, I'll call you.
No, okay, I'm waiting for you.
Is that serious?
Yeah, I'm sick. Make I come.
No, I'll finish right now. I'm coming. Oh, you want to come?
Should I come?
You want to come?
Yeah.
No, I'm coming.
Okay. Oga Uche. Many come. Go where?
Stay here. What is your problem?
I'm sick and I want to sleep.
And go and sleep in your room inside.
It's hot. I want AC room. My husband disconnects our AC.
Your husband disconnects the AC. Okay, you go.
Where?
Go inside. I'm coming. Go. Go now.
Let's go.
I'm following you. You don't want.
Let's go.
I did for your back. Go.
Okay, go.
Huh?
Go.
This guy, I don't know. What are you doing?
Told you I'm sleeping.
You are sleeping. I'm going to walk.
Come and sleep. Oga Uche, come and sleep.
I should do what?
Come and sleep.
I am going to walk, sister. I'm going to walk.
Oga Uche, come and sleep. Oh. Oga Uche. Oga Uche.
What is your problem? I'm going to walk now.
I'm sick, oh.
You are sick.
Come and sleep, okay?
Let me go and let me find some medicine for you.
No, medicine, no.
Let me find some medicine for you.
My sickness don't need medicine.
What you need now?
Sleeping.
Sleeping?
Come and sleep.
And you go inside and sleep your room now.
Hot day there. No AC.
This is my AC too has spoiled. It's not coming. Only in a fan I'm using.
I'll open the window.
Let me go and open that window for you.
My window, you can't open it.
Why?
It clack.
Sister, please. Stood up. I'm going to make this thing there. Okay?
Oga Uche. Oga Uche. I want them. Oga Uche. I'm sick.
Is that serious?
Yes. Oga Uche, please.
Hey, your head is too hot.
Yeah.
What is happening? Let me go and buy you the medicine. Let me go and buy you some medicine.
No, come and sleep. I beg. Sleep.
I bet you.
Yeah, if you sleep, I'll be okay.
If I'm sleeping, you will be good. I'm going to walk now.
No. Don't go.
I cannot sleep because I'm going to walk. Let me find some medicine for you and then you'll be okay.
If you call your wife, I won't be okay. So sleep.
Let me call. Where is my phone? Let me call somebody too.
Who?
Huh?
Go to. Don't go anyone. No. No.
Why are you shaking like this? Why I'm going to work and then you are...
No. I'm sick. I'm sick.
Or maybe I should call your husband.
No. I will be more sick. Uche, please help me. Oh, sleep.
Me too, I cannot sleep because I make late. I cannot sleep.
Okay, Uche.
What is your problem?
Okay, Uche, please.
Oh, what poverty I have come across like this? What is happening to you? Why? Your stomach or your head or what?
Uche, I don't know. I'm really sick.
So what is exactly I have to do? Okay, let me hold you small, and let's go out, and I'll go and find you something too.
No.
Maybe
No.
you are.
No.
Why no? If I say this, you say no. If I say this, you say no. What is wrong with you now? Huh? What type of sick are you seeking? And I first say this, you say no.
My sick, if you tell me something I don't like, my sick become worse. So
Okay.
tell me what I like.
Okay, sleep. Sleep.
And you sleep.
You say?
Sleep and sleep.
Okay, you want me to sleep?
Yeah, me sleep, you sleep.
Okay, sleep small. Sleep. Get a sleep. Let me sleep. Sleep.
No sleep.
No,
I'm not a baby. Sleep.
That you sleep
no,
small.
You
sleep small.
Okay, Uche sleep. Sleep.
I'm sleeping. So sleep.
Okay. Sleep well. Okay, Uche.
Jesus! By the blood of Jesus! Come on, get out! Are you come to touch me or are you come to rape me? You are watching my face like puppy. Come on, get out. Don't open that your mouth. If you open that your mouth, I will screen you alive. Okay, you will die. Come on, get out. So go. Get out. What is wrong with this? This girl wants to come on. Come on, go.
When it's so when it's back, say, me chow dia bra unchiaka, man can for credit square friend say, I miss you, bra. Uja, go. So when you bema, you can't ban so when it's say. I don't know why. Me mum na say me say my too low, be man can class in me. If you not crow, who me cry shame. You know my class on my side. Next she say, me chow dia which I free me soon.
See me for trouble. This guy is going to rape me. Hey! Hey, go!
Na me kunu ba na bona mania na so wife ba na bona mania. So when you meet me
am I the main or what? So if like this girl, if I lose my temper, this girl will rape me or this girl will touch my body. He go make me say, nah, this thing way, nah, shakara things way go do me. All I yanna my boss, on incredible. This guy not see this thing in my life before, though. A lady will come rape my man. After you are going there, you are saying, no,